नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, I welcome all of you for this live broadcast of Akashic Readings, the revelation of the cosmic records, the cosmic archives on past, present and future, now being revealed through the bodies of the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul. Right now I am sitting on the stage where this Akashic Readings is going on, and continuously people are flocking in to have their Akashic Readings read. And all these different powers are also being manifested here. So many truths were different things are also being shared, and from that place only I'm talking to all of you right now. I'm here. You can ask me any questions that you are having regarding these Shaktis, these different powers, and I'll be able to answer them live to you now. Just post it in the comments and I can answer it to live. I welcome all of you with my love and respect for this live broadcast. Nityanandam to all of you. So you can post your questions in the comments and get them answered now. It may be about anything. You can like anything regarding manifestation of powers or regarding anything. Okay, so we have a question from Mary Long. Can I read the Akashic records, Nityanandam? Yes, of course. Akashic records can be read by all of us. See, this is also one of the powers that can be manifested through this human body. This is one of the powers that all of us can manifest. How can I read the Akashic records? See, Akashic records, this itself, like getting this revealed or reading this, getting it revealed through your body is also one of the powers. See, the Balasans here, right behind me, the Balasans that you're able to see now, the different, see now people are flocking in. All they do is they connect themselves with Swamiji. You can just see it happening. See, he's now the Balasan is connecting himself with Swamiji, getting into that space of oneness with Kalabhairava, and then the person sitting in front, the questioner asks the question, whatever they are having, but it may be about anything in his life. The questioner will ask the question, and we have this Nayakar Murti, Murti of Swamiji here in this stage, through which the whole Akashic readings are being continuously revealed. So this is the Balasana, the Nayakar Murti, the Swamiji Murti, on which the Akashic readings will be revealed. He or she, the kid, will Are you able to hear me now? Am I audible now to all of you? Are you able to hear me now? If not, you can post it in the comments. Okay. So, okay, good. So what I was sharing was what is happening here right now is these Akashic readings are being revealed. How the kids connect, the adolescents connect with Swamiji, and after connecting with Swamiji, get that oneness with Swamiji, then all of them will just look at Swamiji's Murti, Swamiji's deity, and they'll start seeing the Akashic records being revealed as answers on Swamiji's Murti. Anything, see, the questioner may ask anything. Now, all these questioners, it is not that the adolescents know them already. No, we don't know them. They're totally from some different backgrounds. We have no idea, no clue about them. Even if we know them, or even if few people come whom we already know also, we don't know their past entirely. Actually, most of the people who come here for Akashic readings, like the ones you see here, all of them are not people whom we are familiar about. We as if like we know those people. No. So what we do is we connect with Swamiji, and the answers for whatever question they ask start appearing on Swamiji's deity, as in golden letters. That is why you will be able to see the adolescents continuously turning here towards the Swamiji's deity, and then this deity of Swamiji is called as the Chitsabha Nayakar Murti, on which the Akashic records appear as golden letters. Now all these adolescents again and again turn towards this deity and see it as golden letters. See it appear as golden letters and read out the answers to the people. So after Swamiji's initiation, when actually so many people think that the answer just comes into us and we just answer. No, it is always reading out of the answer. It's never we get the answer and we answer them using our logic. Never. The Akashic readings is very clear that Kalabhairava, see the deity that you are able to see here, this one at the top is the Kalabhairava deity, and here right behind me is the Swamiji Murti. So these two deities are only responsible for this whole happening, especially Swamiji Murti, because on Swamiji Murti is where the records, all the cosmic records, appear in the form of golden letters, and it will be so relevant. The answers will be so relevant that the people will be told. The answers will come out like because you did this in your past. And of course, the adolescents have no clue about that. But when the adolescents read it out, it will be so true for them. So that happening is also happening here, which is again due to Swamiji's initiation only. People continuously come here. So many different people. They come here for problems and solution, and they come here for career success, and they come here and ask about different therapies or healing, body scanning, or when will they manifest powers, or they want to know something about why something happened so in the past, or what will happen in the future, everything. So this whole happening, which is happening here right now, is not any magic. It's not any kind of some tricks that they're playing. No, it's not even a magic. It is a science, means that can be replicated. So in your question, you asked about like when will you start be able to read it, or how will you be able to read the Akashic readings? When your third eye gets initiated by Swamiji, and you are completely integrated to it, and you are starting to manifest all the different powers of third eye. Suddenly, your being opens up and goes to the next frequency, to higher and higher frequencies, and you will be able to start seeing everything as Akashic readings. Like when you see the deity and ask for a question, you'll be able to see the answers. So you'll get the initiation from Swamiji. It's only after the Swamiji's initiation that you'll be able to do this. So any questions that you are having like this regarding different powers or different Shaktis, you can ask me and post it in the comments, and I'll be answering it to you live now. Maybe about anything. Even if you have any questions that you want to ask about Gurukul, You can ask me and I can tell you. Okay, we have a question from Shabaz Hazan. Does my belief play a role here, or whether I believe it or not, it will happen? See, understand, whatever Akashic readings is going to reveal to you, whether you are believing it or not, it will just reveal as it is to you. Because Kalavira is very clear. He is not going to show any kind of social politeness. He is not. He does not even have that need to show social politeness. Whatever is there, as it is, he will be revealing it to you. Now, what your belief will play a role is how you utilize these truths in your life. Because whatever is said and done, finally it's your decision of where should you apply these truths, how are you going to live it, whether you're going to listen to the words of Kalavira or not. But when you're coming here, if you are coming here, it's like a commitment that you're giving that you will listen and respect the space of Kalavira here. So this whole happening of Akashic readings is nothing but Kalavira happening here. So whatever questions that you are having, Kalavira will just reveal it to you. All the maximum role that your desires or your beliefs can play, not desires but your beliefs can play, is how much you are integrated to what Kalavira tells. That's all. But if you want to manifest, of course your belief plays a big major role. So if that is your question, you can again post in the comments. I'll answer it to you. Or if your question is answered, then fine. Because I just want to know whether it's about your manifestation of Akashic readings, or is it about you having your Akashic readings read, and whether your belief plays a role or not. A comment from Mary Long. Thank you, Ma. I'm glad you have explained. It was always my dream to read them. Thank you very much, Nityananda Ma. See, because it is a possibility for you. That possibility is still existing in you. The doors are opening up in you. That is why this question is even arising. There are billions out there. Why didn't they get this question? And why didn't they get this answer? How come you got to see this video and you got this question? That means that possibility is there in you. That is why you're even asking this question. Understand, whatever you think you can do, that means the possibility is already there in you. The door is already starting to open up in you. That is why it's now searching for the right resources. Mary Long is asking another question. How can I be integrated with Kalavira? See, Kalavira is very simple. Whatever you think as your life, if you are in integrity with that, you are in integrity with Kalavira. Nothing else. He is one of the most compassionate, sweet God. Whatever brings completion to you, it is it very clearly. All these are the things that gets completion in me. So let me be in integrity with them. Whatever it may be, whether it's you doing some particular job or you doing some particular act, if whatever you think my life's purpose is this, so this is what I'm going to do and this is what I want to do. I'm very clear with that. When you are very clear with what your purpose of life is, and you are continuously aligning all the thoughts, all the actions, all the words to that, what you will go through, what you will manifest out of you will be the integrity to Kalavira. Then whatever happens in life will just add up more and more joy to you. It will never bring suffering to you. Because you know whatever is happening is nothing but Kalavira is again helping you to get into more integrity with him. Just decide to be in integrity with all the words, thoughts and actions to be aligned to what your life purpose is. And I have the highest integrity with Master, Guru, with Swamiji. It's enough. Then see how your life becomes so juicy, so beautiful. And see how much integrity you will be with Kalavira. Maria Osterberg is asking a question. Ma, where can I read what each one of the 400 powers are? Thank you very much. All these 400 different powers are having the references there in the Agamas. Agamas are nothing but the whole signs revealed by Lord Shiva to Devi. about the whole lifestyle, everything is only called as agamas. There's so many different types of agamas. The one that we follow here is this Kamik agama.